Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pal009. So today I downloaded a game which was the best one in my childhood. So let me introduce you it. Airplane 2D. Yeah guys, it's a 2D game. So here you can see the main menu. There are settings, weather changes and the scores. Okay. Settings. We can actually change the language here. Only two languages, English and German. Yeah, that's really bad. Okay, here sounds and of games and other things. Okay, weather changings. So here we can actually change the time, day, night, day, night. Okay, that's fine. So let's start the game. So in this game, you should collect these golden coins, and if you will hit the stars, you will be destroyed like this. Bam. Okay, let's play it. Collecting the coins. Ow. Crush. Just crush. Right. Oh, big one. I'm going normally. Ow, down. You can also control the plane with one finger, so that's easy. Alright, retry. So, here you may stop a moment, any moment in this game when you want, just by this button. Stop. Very nice. Ow. So let's fly only up. Yeah, just only up and nothing more than it. Cool. The sky is getting darker. Only up. Ah. Ow. Down. My score is 40. It's good. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, that's what the game Airplane 2D. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good time and don't forget to like this video. Goodbye guys.